Solution of system of linear equations using inverse of a matrix. By using inverse, A inverse, we can find solution of a system of linear equations. Consider three linear equations in three variables: a1x plus a2y plus a3z equal to d1, b1x plus b2y plus b3z equal to d2, and c1x plus c2y plus c3z equal to d3. Let A equal to matrix a1 a2 a3, b1 b2 b3, c1 c2 c3, and x equal to matrix xyz, b equal to matrix d1 d2 d3. We can express above system of equations in the matrix form like this. This is coefficient matrix. Now this matrix consists unknowns x, y, z, and here this matrix consists constant in the right hand side. Now the system can be written as Ax equal to b. When we multiply these two matrices and equating to the matrix B, we get given system. For example, consider first row into this column. First row into this column. A1x plus A2y plus A3z equal to D1. We get first equation. Second row into this column. B1x plus B2y plus B3z equal to D2. C1x plus C2y plus C3z equal to D3. So when we multiply these two matrices and equating it to the matrix B, we get corresponding system of equations. So any system can be written like this: Ax equal to b, where A is the coefficient matrix, x is the matrix which consists of variables unknowns, and b matrix which consists constants on the right hand side of given equation. If A is a non-singular matrix, then A inverse exists. If determinant A not equal to 0, we can find A inverse. And here equation is Ax equal to b. Multiplying both sides by A inverse, we get A inverse Ax equal to A inverse into b. So x equal to A inverse into A is I into x is x, so x equal to A inverse b. Now this is very important equation, x equal to A inverse into b. Write this equation in your formula book. Consider the following system of linear equations: x plus y plus z equal to 6, x plus 2y minus 7z equal to 0, 3x plus y plus z equal to 12. Now here coefficient matrix is 1, 1, 1. Coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1, coefficient of z is 1. So first row in our coefficient matrix is 1, 1, 1. Second row 1, 2, minus 7. 1, 2, minus 7. Third row 3, 1, 1. 3, 1, 1. Now x equal to matrix x, y, z. Unknowns are x, y, z. So x equal to matrix x, y, z. And b equal to 6, 0, 12. So these equations can be written as, first we have to write A, coefficient matrix. Take the coefficients of unknowns. Then x, matrix which consists unknowns x, y, z, and b constants in right hand side 6, 0, 12. B equal to matrix 6, 0, 12. Given system of equations can be expressed in the matrix form as A into x equal to b, Ax equal to b. So x equal to A inverse into b. Now first we have to find determinant A. Determinant A is determinant 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 7, 3, 1, 1. Now evaluating along first row 1 into remaining determinant. Determinant 2 minus 7, 1, 1. 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into minus 7 is minus 7. Minus into minus is plus, so 2 plus 7. minus, second term is negative, so minus 1 into, eliminate first row second column, determinant 1 minus 7 3 1, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 into 7 is 21, 1 minus minus 21, that is 1 plus 21. Now third element is 1, third term is positive, so plus 1 into determinant 1 2 3 1, 1 into 1 is 1 minus 3 into 2 is 6. Now 2 plus 7 is 9, 1 into 9 is 9, 1 plus 21 is 22, 1 into 22 is 22, so minus 22, 1 minus 6 is minus 5, so 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. So determinant A is equal to minus 18, which is not equal to 0. Determinant A not equal to 0. A is a non-singular matrix. So A inverse exists. We can find A inverse. To find A inverse, we know that A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So we have to find adjoint A. To find adjoint of A, we have to find cofactors. Cofactor of element A11 is denoted by capital A11, which is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j mij. Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j mij. Mij is the minor of A11, which is the determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. So determinant 2 minus 7 1 1. So A11 equal to M11, which is equal to determinant 2 minus 7 1 1. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1 into minus 7 is minus 7. So we get plus. Minus into minus is plus. 2 plus 7 is 9. A12 minus 1 raised to I plus j is minus 1. So here we have to write minus sign. Eliminate first row second column. Determinant 1 minus 7 3 1. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 3 into minus 7 is minus 21. Minus into minus is plus. 1 plus 21 is 22 minus 22. A13 eliminate first row third column. Minus 1 raised to 4 is positive. Then determinant 1 2 3 1. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 3 into 2 is 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Now we have to find A21. A21 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 minus 1 raised to 3 is negative. So we have to write a minus sign. Eliminate second row first column. Determinant 1 1 1 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1 0. A22 minus 1 raised to 4 is positive. So here we have to eliminate second row second column. Determinant 1 1 3 1. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. A23 minus 1 raised to 5 is negative. So minus. Eliminate second row third column. Determinant 1 1 3 1. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus of minus 2 is 2. Now A31 eliminate third row first column. Determinant 1 1 2 minus 7. 1 into minus 7 is minus 7 minus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. A32 minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1. So write a minus sign. Eliminate third row second column. Determinant 1 1 1 minus 7. 1 into minus 7 is minus 7 minus 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 7 minus 1 is minus 8. Minus of minus 8 is 8. A33 minus 1 raised to 6 is positive. So A33 equal to determinant. Eliminating third row third column, we get determinant 1 1 1 2. 1 into 2 is 2 minus 1 into 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now we know that adjoint of A is equal to matrix A11, A12, A13. Adjoint of A is transpose of cofactor matrix. So first column is A11, A12, A13. Second column A21, A22, A23. Third column A31, A32, A33. So here adjoint of A, first column 9 minus 22 minus 5. Second column 0 minus 2 2. Third column minus 9 8 1. Now we know that A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So A inverse equal to determinant A is minus 18. 1 by minus 18 matrix 9 0 minus 9 minus 22 minus 2 8. minus 5 to 1. Now x equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse into matrix B. Now multiply first row and first column. 9 into 6, 54. 0 into 0 is 0. Minus 9 into 12 is minus 108. Now second row into first column. Minus 22 into 6 is minus 132. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Then 8 into 12 is 96. Now third row into first column. Minus 5 into 6 is minus 30. Plus 2 into 0 is 0. Plus 1 into 12 is 12. So minus 1 by 18. 54 minus 108 is minus 54. Minus 132 plus 96 is minus 36. Minus 30 plus 12 is minus 18. Now we have to multiply each element by minus 1 by 18. Or divide each element by 18. Minus into minus is plus. So 54 divided by 18, which is 3. 36 by 18 is 2. 18 by 18 is 1. So x equal to matrix 3, 2, 1. So x equal to 3, y equal to 2, z equal to 1. So these are the solutions. Consider following system of linear equations. Now this system consists two equations in two unknowns. Unknowns are x and y. Now this system can be written as Ax equal to B, where A equal to coefficient matrix. Here coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is minus 1. So first row is 2 minus 1. In second equation, coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y is 4. So second row is 3, 4. X equal to matrix xy. X consists unknowns. So here unknowns are x and y. So x equal to matrix xy. Write these constants in the matrix B. B equal to matrix minus 2, 3. Now here matrix is 2, minus 1, 3, 4. First we have to find determinant of A. Determinant of A is 2 into 4, 8, minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. So 8 plus 3, which is equal to 11. This is not equal to 0. So A is non-singular. We can find A inverse. And we know that A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So first we have to find adjoint of A. For that we have to find cofactors. A11, eliminate first row, first column. A11 equal to 4. A12 is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, that is minus 1 raised to 3, which is minus. So we have a negative sign. Eliminate first row, second column, value is 3, so we get minus 3. A21, minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1, so minus. Eliminate second row, first column, minus 1. Minus of minus 1 is 1. A22, eliminate second row, second column, value is 2. So A22 equal to 2. A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Now determinant A is 11. So 1 by 11. Adjoint of A is matrix A11, A12. First column is A11, A12. So we have to write 4 minus 3 in the first column. Write 1, 2 in the second column. So A inverse is 1 by 11. Matrix 4, 1 minus 3, 2. And we have x equal to A inverse into B. So 1 by 11, matrix 4, 1 minus 3, 2 into matrix minus 2, 3. Now multiplying these two matrices, first row into first column, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, plus 1 into 3 is 3. Then first row into first column, minus 3 into minus 2 is 6, plus 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5, 6 plus 6 is 12. Now dividing by 11, we get minus 5 by 11 and 12 by 11. So solutions are x equal to minus 5 by 11 and y equal to 12 by 11. അപ്പോൾ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ആണ് ചെയ്തത്. ആദ്യം ചെയ്തതിൽ 3 ഇക്വേഷൻസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, 3 വേരിയബിൾസ് എക്സ് വൈ സെഡിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂസ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. രണ്ടാമത്തെ പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ 2 ലീനിയർ ഇക്വേഷൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു, എക്സ് വൈ 2 അൺനോൺസിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂസാണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യണം. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫോർമുല ബുക്കിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് x ഈക്വൽ ടു എ ഇൻവേഴ്സ് ഇൻറ്റു ബി ആ ഫോർമുല എഴുതി വെച്ചിട്ട് നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിക്കണം. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഈ പ്രോബ്ലം നിങ്ങൾ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യണം. പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലമാണ് ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. x മൈനസ് വൈ പ്ലസ് 2z ഈക്വൽ ടു 7, 3x പ്ലസ് 4y മൈനസ് 5z ഈക്വൽ ടു -5, 2x മൈനസ് വൈ പ്ലസ് 3z ഈക്വൽ ടു 12. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ സോൾവ് ചെയ്ത് കിട്ടുന്ന ആൻസർ, ഈ സിസ്റ്റത്തിന് സോൾവ് ചെയ്ത് കിട്ടുന്ന ആൻസർ ഈ വീഡിയോൻ്റെ താഴെ നിങ്ങളുടെ കമൻ്റായിട്ട് പോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ.